Looking forward to it, Krista. In other news now, the first day of CXC exams for students at the Anchovy High School did not go as planned as Ancillary staff padlocked the school gates in protest of payment delays. Jamaica Maitland has the details.
Wonderful.
Students of the Anchovy High School in St. James celebrating after firefighters pried the main gate, which had been chained, open Monday morning. It was reportedly locked by Ancillary workers who'd been protesting against what they say is the continuous delay in salary payments by the school's administration. The placards placed on the gates detailed some of theher concerns.
Got a call from the principal that she looked in the account and she don't see any upload for who getting from the bank. I call her. Friday's payday, they don't finish as yet. We have until 12 midnight. That's not right. That's not how you treat a staff.
Teachers, students, and other members of the school population were forced to wait outside before help arrived. Among them was the school's chairman, Nigel Gulab, who tried to calm the angry crowd, which was becoming frustrated by the minute. The chairman says he inherited the issue 2 months ago. However, he did not fathom it would come to this.
It's not a matter of funding. The school has fund, so it just has to do with internal issue of a particular department, the bursary department.
Mr. Gulab revealed that a meeting is scheduled for June 4 to address the concerns.
I think good sense will prevail. Everybody have children coming to school doing exam. So I hope, that good reasoning will prevail on all sides.
He's reassuring parents and guardians that CXC exams scheduled for Monday morning would not be disrupted despite the protest. The regional exams began last week after a 3-week postponement to ensure students were adequately prepared to sit the tests. Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.